In this tutorial, we'll explore the dashboard area within the reporting module. To begin building a dashboard, we first need to prepare a data configuration. A data configuration relies on a dataset, so let's start there. Before creating a dataset, a data source is required to establish a connection with the external database. We can briefly open the data source form to see the available setup options. In this case, a data source has already been configured, so we'll use the existing information system connection. Now we can create the dataset, enter a name, add a description, and select the table from the chosen data source. As soon as the table is selected, the available model fields become visible along with a preview of the first rows of data. Once everything looks correct, create the dataset. With the dataset in place, we can now move on to the data configuration, provide a name, then choose the dataset we just prepared. Opening the configuration details gives access to several chart types, including bar charts, column charts, line charts, pie charts, and tables. At first, the charts may not display properly because the default metrics and dimensions are not suitable for the selected visualization. Once the appropriate values are assigned and the chart is updated, the data becomes visible immediately. Be sure to give each chart a clear name as well. Filters can also be applied to narrow down the displayed information. To do this, select the field you want to filter by, choose the operator, enter the value, and apply the filter. After updating the chart, the visualization refreshes automatically to reflect the new data. Before moving on, dashboard-level filters can also be prepared in advance by simply dragging the desired column into the filter area. Once the data configuration is ready, we can create the dashboard itself. Enter the title, select the term, add a description, and save. Opening the dashboard details, we'll notice that no pages have been added yet. Let's create one by providing a title and defining its order. With the page in place, we can now attach the chart we created earlier. As soon as it's selected, the chart becomes visible on the dashboard page. Additional filters can also be applied directly at the page level, allowing the dashboard to display more focused information on top of the existing chart filters. Once everything is configured, the dashboard becomes available from the Dashboard section in the Pulse One sidebar. To conclude, dashboards bring all your data together into a clear and interactive view. By combining datasets, visualizations, and filters, Pulse One makes it easier to monitor trends, explore insights, and support more informed decision-making across the institution. Thank you for watching. We hope this walkthrough helped you better understand how Pulse One dashboards can turn complex data into meaningful, actionable insights. Thank you for watching.